Okay. Yes, we are. What is this Spearman's rank correlation method? Compared to Carl Pearson's, it is very. If it comes in your exams, you'll be lucky for 5 marks if it comes in case. Generally, it would be Carl Pearson's only. In case if Spearman's comes for 5 marks, it will be very easy. What we are supposed to do here is, all the values of x and y, we are supposed to assign the ranks. And assigning rank is very easy job. Because how do you get the ranks in school? Whosoever gets highest marks, first rank, that is what we have to do. Whichever is the highest observation in the data, we will give rank 1. Whichever is the next highest observation, rank 2, and so on. After giving the ranks, we will apply the formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. Unlike Carl Pearson's, there are no 6 formulas. There are only 2 formulas in rank correlation method, out of which only first one I discussed today. That is R equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. And we have to use it when there is no tie between the ranks. Means, if 2 people get same marks, then there is a tie between that rank. Initially we solve the questions when there is no tie between the ranks. Means, same number will not come 2 times. Okay. Only thing is R is correlation coefficient, N is number of observations. What is this D? D is the difference of ranks. Rank of X minus rank of. Can we do it Ry minus Rx? Yes. Because we are going to square. So it is basically only difference between the ranks. And sigma D should always come 0. This will be a cross verification in our solutions. If sigma D does not come 0, that means there is some mistake. Either you have done mistake in assigning the rank, or there is some mistake in maybe counting the value of D. Okay, so note down this formula in the summary. 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n square minus 1. Be careful, upon, it's not whole upon. Divide is done only from 6 sigma D square. Division is done only on the right side. It's not whole divide by n square minus 1. Okay, be careful. Division is only in this part. So initially we take up with the questions when there is no tie between the ranks. 6 into sigma d square. This is a concept developed by rank correlation. Scientifically, how did it develop, that we need not go into. Look at page number 99. Has everyone written this? Leave some space in the summary. As I said, 2 formulas are there. So one more will come across later on. That is when there is a tie between the ranks. Page 99, exercise 2.3. Look at question number 1. Yes, as I said, it's very simple. You will find it soon. 6 companies are ranked by the 2 market analysts on the basis of their growth in recent past. You can see companies in the ranks given to them. You will find that here ranks are directly given. Ranked by analyst 1, marked as Rx. We don't have to assign the ranks are directly given. Okay? And same way, ranked by analyst 2, marked as Ry. We'll define that in the beginning and write the values. And what we have to find is, find the another word rank correlation coefficient between the evaluation given by 2 analysts. They'll always mention that. If nothing is mentioned in exams, then we have to do calculations. But however, if ranks are given, we need to do rank correlation only. Like here, what is the 2 information given to you? Rank by analyst 1 and rank by analyst 2. Here, even if it is not mentioned, you have to find rank correlation only. So, let rank by analyst 1 be Rx and let rank by analyst 2 be Ry. First, we'll write the values of Rx and Ry. 5, 2, 1, 4, 3 and 6. And 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. Raise your hand who is still writing up till here. All have completed this? So first we find the value of D. That is Rx minus Ry. As I said, how will we find D? Rx minus Ry. Difference between the ranks. And we should cross verify that sigma D comes to 0. Very simple workings compared to Carl Pearson's. 5 minus 6 minus 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 6 minus 5 is 1. See, negative is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, and positive is also 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Does it come to 0 or not? Raise your hand who did not understand D. Don't raise your hand. It is very simple, you should understand. D square. Now we have to square these values. So 1 square, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, again 4, again 2 square is 4, and 1 square is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18. What is sigma D square? 18. Anyone having any doubt in this? Now we have to apply the formula. Raise your hand who is still doing the workings. All have understood this? So R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n into n square minus 1. Did everyone write the formula? Okay. This only is to be divided. So 1 minus 6 into, now what is sigma D square we got? 18. So 6 into 18. Okay. Upon n counted 6 observations are there. So 6 into 6 square minus 1. Any doubts with this? So 1 minus 108, 6 into 18. Then 6 into 6 square is 36 minus 1. 1 minus 108 upon 6 into 35. 1 minus 108 upon 6 into 35, 210. Now first do 108 upon 210 and round it off in 2 decimals. 0.51. 1 minus 0.51, 0.49. Okay. Low degree of positive correlation. Did you understand this? 4. Very simple compared to Carl Pearson's. Any doubts with this? One more. I'll ask you and do it and when you come here. So look at question number 2. An official has ranked 9 villages of a sample on the basis of the work done in the area of Swachhta Abhiyan and Beti Bachao Abhiyan by the villages. The ranks are given below. Villages have no relevance. Ranks for Swachhta Abhiyan will mark it as RX and Beti Bachao Abhiyan as RY. Now let rank for Swachhta Abhiyan be RX and let rank for Beti Bachao Abhiyan be RY. Now silence everyone. RX and RY. 4, 8, 7, 1. Hey, don't talk in between. 9, 5, 6, 2, 3 and RY 6, 8, 5, 1, 9, 7, 3, 4, 2. Did you all write this? Everyone? Now, Kajal, what is the first thing we'll find? D. How will we find D? RX minus RY. Tell me all the values. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Don't directly write 0. Cross check does it come 0 or not. Because if it does not come 0, there is some mistake. Like you can see negative is 2, 4, 6. Positive is 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. It comes to 0. Is everyone clear with this? Then share. What next? D square. Tell me the values. 4. Square is always positive. Minus 2 square is 4. 0. 4. 0. 0. 4. 9. 4 and 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 25, 26. Anyone having any doubt in this? All are clear with the squares? What is the formula? R equals to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n into n square minus 1. Raise your hand who is still writing the formula. All have written it? 1 minus 6 into sigma D square is 26 upon number of observations are 9 into 9 square minus 1. I want complete silence. No one should be talking in between. Okay, if you want to cross verify, I am doing it on the board already. Yes, further. 6 into 26, 156 upon 9 into 9 square is 81 minus 1. So now 1 minus 156 upon 9 into 80. 1 minus 156 upon 720. Divya. 156 upon 720, 0.22, so 0.78. 1 minus 0.22, that is 0.78. Any doubts with this? All are clear with it? So one question you will find on your own.